Hey y'all, and welcome to my garage. Today I'm very excited for this video. It's part 1 of my declutter series that I've been promising y'all. We are starting this today and we are so excited. I usually do a garage clean out about once a year, and so we were like kind of dreading it and everything, but we pulled the vehicles out and we're like, okay, it's not as bad this year as it normally is, so that's like a good thing. So we do have some piles, as you can see, over here, and then I've got some trash and junk over here. But anyway, and then also my bins that I keep all my decor in, I'm going to go through those and declutter those and get some labels on them because I got this really cool Cricut machine for Christmas, so hopefully I'll get some labels put on those today. Anyway, we are so excited to get this started. I'm not for sure where we're going to start yet, so y'all just bear with us while we get our bearings together. My husband said these tires are coming out first, so we'll see. Anyway, all right y'all, let's get started. So cleaning the garage is always like super overwhelming, so we're just trying to tackle area by area, if that makes sense. So the first thing we're doing here is tackling this pile. We're just taking this stuff out into the driveway and making other piles. So I had a pile for, Goodwill, throwaway, a pile that needed to go in our camping stuff and put back in our camper, and then our yard stuff. And that was pretty much it. Just over the winter, things had piled up. So, and of course, you inherit things from other people, and it was just kind of all in this pile. So we were just separating it out and getting it put back to where it needed to go, and or donating or throwing it away. I had so many hours of footage for this, so I went ahead and sped most of this video up at a faster pace so that you could see like the whole process, because I think I had 5 or 6 hours of footage just about. So I know some people don't like a faster paced video, but I had to do that or you weren't going to be able to see it all, because there is just a lot packed in this declutter video. Now that we have this pile under control, sorted and separated, I set up the camera and just let Matt start cleaning out his tool bench. I did not help him with this at all because this is his stuff. He knows where he wants it, and I don't mess with his stuff. His tools are very sacred to him, and I don't mess with it. So for those of y'all that don't know, this is my husband, Matt, and he's a new YouTube star today. So anyway, I hope maybe some men will be watching this or something, enjoy watching him clean out his tool bench. I was very proud of him. He did such a good job decluttering and organizing it. sponsored by Yall, and they sent me a garage power tool organizer, and I just can't tell you how excited my husband is for this. We're gonna put this together, and we are going to hang it on the wall over here and get all his things organized. So first we're gonna open it up and see what all it comes with, and get this thing put together. Y'all are gonna have to excuse me. We've been out here cleaning the garage all day, and the dust is getting to me. Pop right up. Came in another box. So it came packaged very well. As you can see, it came in 2 different boxes, so it came packaged very well. It comes with, these are very easy instructions to follow, it looks like. So some good instructions, which y'all know, husbands don't follow instructions, so I don't know if these will get used or not. He said he's gonna use them. My husband, he's all excited. It's got power. I'm not for sure why it has power.
For chargers.
Oh, okay. So some screws. More shelf parts. Came with some hooks. Oh, look at it. Come with a power board. And then a shelf. I'm gonna go ahead and take these all out of the packages, and so that he can get ready to put this together. This is very sturdy. It's metal, and these feel very, this board right here is very heavy. It is very steady or sturdy. That's nice. So on all the parts it has, I don't know if you can see right there, it has letters, so like that's D, this one's A. So I think it's gonna be very, very easy to put together. All right, I'm gonna step out of my husband's way so he can put this together.
Tell me how to do it.
So while Matt's putting this together, I was going to take just a few moments and tell you about the power tool organizer. It does come with a power strip, and the power strip has a 5-foot extension cord and 3 AC outlets. It's capable of powering 3 devices at the same time with a maximum power of 1500 watts to meet your daily work needs. The power tool organizer has sturdy construction for strong load bearing. The drill holder is made of heavy duty alloy steel that is specially custom thickened and hardened square tube material, which is stronger than others. The load bearing capacity of this wall mount drill holder is up to 100 pounds. The thick wooden board is stain proof and scratch resistant. The tool storage comes with 3 layers. The lower layer stores handheld power tools. The middle layer comes with 2 side shields and a grid shelf with a protective rim for storing screwdrivers, pliers, screws, brushes, scissors, hammers, and files. And the upper layer is suitable for chargers and batteries, keeping your tools in order. The organizer was so easy to install, and it comes with all necessary mounting accessories and installation instructions to install your power tool storage organizer in minutes. This also makes a great gift, so if you're looking for something for your husband for a Father's Day, a birthday, anniversary, anything like that, make sure that you click on the link that I will have down in my description box below to go get one of these for your husband. He will absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Yall, for making my husband so happy today with his power tool organizer. Matt really is enjoying this power tool organizer. He keeps going out in the garage going, "Babe, don't that look good? Don't that look good?" And I'm like, "Yeah, babe." He just is loving having all his tools displayed so much. I did want to go ahead and address something because this video is sped up so much, you can really tell it. And it's just something that we live with on a daily basis and don't think much of. But Matt does have Parkinson's disease, and that's why his hands are shaking so much, because having the video sped up, you can really see it. Like I said, it's just something we live with on a daily basis, so like we don't even think about it. But if you have any questions, you can ask below in the comments. And yeah, like I said, it's just something we live with, but I just wanted to address it because he is shaking quite a bit due to the sped up video. So this next area we're hitting is my cleaning shelf. This is where I keep all my cleaning supplies, and yeah, it's a bomb went off in it, is just all there is to say. I've been very busy and I've just been throwing stuff on the shelf, whether it be trash, you know, old drinks, my dirty rags, whatever, and I've just been replenishing my bag and put it in my car and taking off and coming home and just throwing it on there. And that's not working, obviously. It's just not real functional, so I'm taking a little bit of time to just gut this out and start all over. I did realize that I need a trash can beside the station because I'm taking cups and stuff out of my car and just throwing it up there, and yeah, it's just not working. So I'm very glad to be getting all this done, and I love the way it turned out. It's so functional and it's just helped me out so much. Okay, so here's my cleaning shelf. I've got everything all put together. I'm so excited to have it looking this way. I made it very, very functional. So here's my bags that I put in the car to take my cleaners, my little shampooer, and my IKEA bags, and then vacuum cleaner accessories, clean rags and mop heads, and then that's for my dirty ones. I have all my cleaners right here for just easy grabbing when I need them. I put the toilet paper up here, toilet paper for our camper, and then my paper towels. And then over here, Matt hung my Dyson for me, and I was able to put all of my vacuum cleaners here and my mop, and he's going to run me an extension cord with a power strip and hang it right here for me so I can just plug all my stuff in. So I love this, how it turned out. We got a lot of our chairs hung back up in place. So I told you I was gonna do my home decor today, but I'm gonna have to do a part 2 because we have several things over here that we didn't get to, and I've got a lot of home decor right here that needs to be put up in other places. And we did get our tables and our chairs in line there, but we just have some stuff over here that still needs a home. And I'm gonna go through here and declutter this. So look for a part 2 on the garage because yeah, we will be getting that all together. It has been a very long day, but we did get quite a bit accomplished that we were wanting to get done. Like I said, we still have a few things that need a home, and I have to go through my home decor, and I'm going to like organize that, and I'm gonna put labels on the bins and stuff like that. So look for a part 2 for that. I just want to say thank you to Yasonic once again for sponsoring today's video. It has been so much fun getting some stuff checked off our list, and my husband absolutely loves his garage power tool organizer. He is having a blast with that. And if you are new here today, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, click the bell so that you'll get notifications of all my upcoming videos, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.